Alright, so let me quickly tell you how to make tawa naan at home, and that too very easily. It will give you the same flavor as you used to have in any restaurant outside. So let me quickly introduce you to the ingredients. So I have some oil with me, around 2 tablespoons. You can see the oil. This is all-purpose flour, also known as maida. 2 big cups. This is half a cup curd. 2 tablespoons lime juice, 1 tablespoon salt, half tablespoon baking soda, 1 tablespoon sugar. I will be kneading my dough with the help of all the ingredients along with little water. So I have inverted everything into this thali. With the help of your hands, just knead this maida dough, add little water. You have to knead a soft dough. If you think that you can't knead a proper dough, just add in little more flour to your dough so that you can make a firm dough like this. You can see it. Now it's a time to just apply a little oil onto your hands, and then we'll apply that oil onto this dough. So I've greased my hands, and now I'll grease this dough with the help of my hands. This is done. Now I'll cover this dough with a damp cloth and keep it aside for 2 to 3 hours. So after 3 hours, you can see the dough has become fluffy. Now knead this dough again with the help of little flour if you want, and I have some ginger and coriander leaves for the toppings of my naan. So I have rolled a ball from the dough. This way you need to roll. So I have used little maida to roll out this dough, and now I'll take the help of my chakla belan to flatten up this. The shape you can decide on your own. If it's not stretching, you can also use your hands to stretch this dough. Ready? So this is ready. Now garnish this garlic and coriander leaves and roll one more time. Very slowly. Okay. So as a next step, apply little water onto this side. I'm applying little water. Carefully put your naan like this. Now once it's cooked from the other side, then we'll invert our tawa onto the direct flame and then cook from this side. It's a time to check your naan from the other side. This is moving, that means it might have been cooked. You can see started changing the color. You need to cook it more. Now take the help of a tongue like this and slowly cook your naan from this side, the way you cook a roti. Doing is this side I'm directly exposing to my gas flame and I am cooking it like this. If you can see, my naan is cooked from both the sides. Now it's a time to apply some butter onto it. The crispy naan is ready. Apply some butter. Yeah. Go. I hope you have liked the video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and thank you so much for watching out this video. Bye bye for now.